What if the truck you trusted to tow your boat, haul your camper, or carry your family across the country was hiding a serious problem under the hood? Imagine spending $60,000, $70,000, or even $80,000 on a brand new pickup truck, only to discover that its engine could potentially fail without warning. That's exactly why thousands of Toyota Tundra owners have been paying very close attention to one of the biggest automotive stories in recent years. For decades, Toyota built a reputation for reliability that seemed almost unbeatable. Many owners expected their trucks to last 300,000 miles or more with routine maintenance. But now, concerns surrounding the Tundra's twin-turbocharged V6 engine have raised questions that many loyal customers never expected to ask. Toyota has acknowledged a major issue affecting certain Tundra models, and the consequences could be far more serious than a simple check engine light. Today, we're diving deep into what happened, why experts believe this problem developed, which trucks may be affected, what Toyota is doing to fix it, and most importantly, whether owners should consider upgrading immediately. And stay until the end, because one former automotive engineer revealed a detail about modern turbocharged truck engines that could completely change how you think about long-term reliability. The engine that changed everything. For years, Toyota relied on its legendary 5.7-liter V8. That engine wasn't perfect. It wasn't the most fuel-efficient. It wasn't the most advanced. But owners loved it because it was simple, durable, and proven. Then Toyota made a dramatic shift. In 2022, the company introduced an all-new generation Tundra featuring a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine. On paper, the move made perfect sense. The new powertrain delivered more torque, improved fuel economy, better emissions performance, and stronger towing capabilities. Industry experts praised Toyota for modernizing the Tundra and helping it compete with rivals from Ford Motor Company, General Motors, and Ram trucks. Initially, customers were impressed. The truck accelerated faster than the old V8. It felt more refined. The technology was significantly improved. Everything seemed to be going according to plan. Then, reports started appearing. Owners began reporting engine failures. Some owners began experiencing unexpected engine issues. In certain cases, engines reportedly failed completely. The stories quickly spread across online forums, owner groups, and automotive communities. Drivers described hearing unusual noises. Others reported sudden power loss. Some experienced warning lights before failure. A few owners claimed their engines stopped functioning with very little warning. Whenever multiple reports emerge involving a new engine design, automotive engineers start looking for patterns. And eventually, investigators identified something important. According to reports, manufacturing debris may have remained inside certain engines during production. That contamination could circulate through the lubrication system and potentially damage critical engine components. For a modern turbocharged engine, clean oil is absolutely essential. The twin turbochargers spin at extremely high speeds, often exceeding 150,000 revolutions per minute. Even tiny particles can cause significant damage if they reach sensitive components. Why this is a much bigger problem than many people realize. To understand why experts were concerned, you need to understand how modern engines work. Unlike older engines that often tolerated minor imperfections, today's high-performance powertrains operate with incredibly tight tolerances. Automotive engineer analyses have pointed out that turbocharged engines place enormous stress on internal components. Bearings depend on precise oil flow. Turbochargers require constant lubrication. Variable valve timing systems rely on clean oil passages. When contamination enters the system, problems can multiply quickly. Think of it like cholesterol building up in human arteries. Initially, everything appears normal. Then, performance begins to suffer. Eventually, a critical failure can occur. Experts note that debris contamination is particularly dangerous because the damage may begin long before drivers notice any symptoms. That means some engines could accumulate wear gradually before a warning sign appears. This possibility is exactly what alarmed many Tundra owners. Toyota's response. Toyota eventually acknowledged concerns surrounding affected engines. Rather than ignoring the issue, the company launched investigations and implemented corrective actions. Many industry analysts actually credit Toyota for taking responsibility instead of attempting to minimize customer concerns. While no automaker wants to face a major engine issue, how a company responds often matters just as much as the problem itself. Toyota began identifying affected vehicles and developing repair strategies. Dealerships received guidance regarding inspections and replacement procedures. For impacted owners, this represented an important step toward restoring confidence. However, questions remained. Could all affected engines be identified? Would replacement engines completely eliminate the issue? And what does this mean for long-term reliability? Expert insight: the real challenge of modern truck engines. Here's something many people don't realize. The problem isn't necessarily that turbocharged engines are unreliable. In fact, many turbocharged engines deliver excellent longevity. The challenge is complexity. The old 5.7-liter V8 relied on a relatively simple formula. The new twin-turbo V6 combines turbochargers, direct fuel injection, advanced emission systems, sophisticated electronics, complex cooling systems, and high-pressure fuel delivery. Each innovation improves performance, but every added system also introduces additional potential failure points. Former powertrain engineers often describe modern engines as incredible technological achievements. Yet they also acknowledge that manufacturing precision has become more important than ever. A small defect that might have gone unnoticed 20 years ago can create serious consequences in today's high-output engines. That's why quality control matters so much. Should owners be worried? This is probably the most important question. The answer is both yes and no. If your truck is included in an affected population identified by Toyota, you should absolutely follow manufacturer guidance. Ignoring a potential engine issue is never a good idea. However, it's equally important not to panic. Millions of Toyota vehicles continue operating reliably every day. Many Tundra owners have accumulated substantial mileage without experiencing any major engine problems. Automotive experts generally recommend focusing on facts rather than internet rumors. Monitor your vehicle. Pay attention to unusual sounds. Follow maintenance schedules. Document any concerns. And work closely with your dealership. Those steps provide far more protection than simply worrying about worst-case scenarios. Warning signs you should never ignore. Experts recommend paying attention to several warning signs. These include knocking sounds from the engine, metal-on-metal noises, sudden loss of power, excessive vibration, oil pressure warnings, check engine lights, unusual turbo noises, rough operation. None of these symptoms automatically mean catastrophic failure. However, they do indicate that further inspection may be necessary. The sooner a potential issue is identified, the better the chances of preventing more extensive damage. How this impacts Toyota's reputation. Toyota built its reputation over decades. Brands don't earn customer loyalty overnight. They earn it through consistency. That's why this situation attracted so much attention. Consumers expect Toyota trucks to be among the most dependable vehicles available. When engine concerns emerge, expectations are naturally higher than they might be for some competitors. Interestingly, many industry observers believe Toyota's response may ultimately strengthen customer trust. Why? Because transparency matters. Acknowledging a problem and addressing it directly often generates more goodwill than denying obvious concerns. In today's connected world, information spreads instantly. Customers want solutions. Toyota appears focused on providing them.
The cost of waiting.
Some owners are asking whether they should upgrade immediately. The answer depends on individual circumstances. If your truck is operating normally and isn't included in any affected group, there may be no urgent reason to trade it in. However, if your vehicle qualifies for inspection or repair programs, delaying service could be risky. Automotive professionals consistently emphasize one point: maintenance and inspections are far less expensive than major engine replacements. Waiting until symptoms become severe can significantly increase repair complexity. That's why many experts encourage owners to act promptly whenever manufacturers issue important service information. What future Tundra buyers should know. If you're considering purchasing a Tundra, don't assume every truck is affected. That's simply not true. Toyota continues refining its manufacturing processes and quality control systems. Automakers constantly improve production methods based on real-world data. In fact, many experts believe later production vehicles often benefit from lessons learned during earlier manufacturing periods. When shopping for any vehicle, ask questions, review service history, verify recall completion, understand warranty coverage. Those steps are smart regardless of brand. Whether you're buying a Toyota, Ford, Chevrolet, GMC, or Ram, informed decisions always produce better outcomes. The bigger industry lesson. The Tundra situation highlights a larger trend affecting the entire automotive industry. Manufacturers are under enormous pressure to improve fuel economy, reduce emissions, and increase performance. As a result, engines have become more sophisticated than ever before. A modern twin-turbo V6 can outperform older V8 engines while consuming less fuel. That's an impressive achievement. But advanced technology requires advanced quality control. Even minor manufacturing issues can have major consequences. The lesson isn't that innovation is bad. The lesson is that precision matters, and customers are paying closer attention than ever. Final verdict. So, did Toyota admit a dangerous flaw? The company acknowledged serious concerns involving certain twin-turbo V6 engines and took action to address affected vehicles. That's an important distinction. Not every Tundra is affected. Not every owner will experience problems. But the issue is significant enough that owners should pay attention and follow Toyota's recommendations carefully. The good news is that awareness is now widespread. Dealerships know about the issue. Toyota has implemented corrective measures. Owners have access to information and support. For current owners, the smartest move is simple. Stay informed. Monitor your truck. Complete all recommended inspections and repairs, and don't ignore warning signs. Because when it comes to modern turbocharged engines, catching a problem early can make all the difference. What do you think? Have you experienced any issues with the Toyota Tundra Twin-Turbo V6? Or has your truck been completely trouble-free? Share your experience in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive news, truck reviews, recalls, and insider industry updates.